Hi, this is Marty again, and I decided to do a second video of the hibiscus. I call this the Oscar hibiscus. We got it from Oscar's tree over there until I get a correct name, but it's a pink coloring with an unusual flower arrangement. The hibiscus have all these unusual flower arrangements, but that's what makes them beautiful and having them in a garden. This one, I took the tree, adapted it to a hedge format, as you can see my other hedge over there, which is a hibiscus, and the rest of them, which are down there, that's my raspberry up at the top, beige, a double red, and another one. We get the color on that at the moment, but there is the little with the variegated leaves. We got about 6, 7 of them there. Letting Mother Nature take them. I think I'm going to take a few of them and actually put them in another section of the garden. But anyway, let's get back to my pink. The reason I'm doing this is because for some reason my hedge is actually going crazy producing these trees. And you can see, as opposed to the other hibiscus plants, this one tends to still keep its roots as being a tree, and it just branches out all over the place. Yeah, Marty, that's a tree, it's a branch. And there we go, we have enormous blooms all over it. It makes a beautiful plant, and those that are into colors, this is a very striking pink, from light pink to a dark pink. Well, actually it goes from dark and spreads out to a light pink with nice little dark pink petals in the middle. And it just adds a nice little color to the Dougherty Garden. And as you can see, these little blooms fly up all over the place. Looking at some of the ones on the extended branches over here. They have yet to bloom, but this little puppy is happy where it's heading around. It gets enough sun and enough attention, and it just spreads out all over the place. So this is one of those beautiful additions to the Dougherty Garden. Let me just get a little closer. I just one striking color back in there. See it? Isn't that beautiful? So, and as you can see, numerous other yet to blooms are coming out all over the place. So apparently May is the month for the little puppy here. And just get back to my little favorite one here, like I'm saying, is the Dougherty Garden. Please like the videos. And this is the second one. I just did a quick impromptu version of the hibiscus. I have yet to find the correct name for this at the moment. We will get there. But like I'm saying, enjoy gardening. It's a good possession. Let me just take a picture of this one over here quick. I'll do a separate video on this one again, but apparently this one is starting to get nice little attention to the sun. It's not growing as fast as the pink version over there, but it is growing. So, like I say, stop, like the videos. Anybody's interested, let me know. We can talk. Thank you for stopping by. Enjoy the visit. Bye-bye.